The countdown begins right now, and we'll set the timer for 30 seconds. That means you'll be paid $25 every 30 seconds, over and over. Starting now, all it takes is 30 seconds to receive your first payment. This strategy does not necessitate any selling, nor does it require the use of videos or a website. You don't need any technical knowledge, and you don't have to put in any effort. You don't even need any money to get started because this is entirely free. All you need is a smartphone or a computer as well as an internet connection, and you may get started right away after seeing this video from anywhere in the world. You can cash out your earnings using a variety of payment methods available across the globe. I'll have a surprise bonus for you if you watch this video all the way to the finish, which will help you earn even more money online than any other people. So make sure you stay and don't miss out on anything. Hey there! Welcome to Online Money Mastery. I teach tips and tricks in making money online. Subscribe to the YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated whenever I upload a new video. Just smash the like button and leave a comment below. Now let's jump to the video. First and foremost, I would like you to visit the website Legit.com. This is most likely the first time you've visited this website and you've never heard anyone else mention it. This will be a completely new approach that you can use right now to make money every 30 seconds. Basically, this website functions as a marketplace where people may come and browse for various services. As you can see from the top, there are a lot of different categories and subcategories. For example, graphics and design, SEO, internet marketing, video, audio and music, and so forth. When I scroll down here, you will see that people earn a lot of money by rendering some services. Some earn $10, $20, $25, or even more than $100. People are charging money for a range of factors. You don't have to perform any of the work, as I previously stated. You don't need to create any videos or websites, nor are you required to sell anything. This is a totally free approach. First and foremost, I want you to pay close attention to the next step. All you have to do now is click the video on the upper portion of the website. Right now, you can see that people are expecting a lot of money for only generating a video. For instance, this one charges this amount while this one charges this amount. All of these folks right here are making videos and charging a lot of money for their services. Now all I want to do is restate it and make it clear. You're not required to make any of the videos. You won't have to do any of the hard work because I'll show you two websites at the end of the video that will do everything for you. If you stick with me until the end of this video, you'll understand everything and be able to start making money every 30 seconds as soon as you finish watching it. So, all I want to do is show you how much money you might make right now on Legit.com. Let's say you charge $97 for a single video project and you sell 15 of them per month. This means you make $1,455 US each month for only selling video packages. And guess what? If you double that and sell 30 of them each month, you can make close to $3,000. All you have to do is sell one video per day for $97 and then sell 30 of them per month. So, this is such a fantastic opportunity and no one is talking about it on Legit.com. And there is no competition because it's brand new. For example, when I click this one, it will redirect me to this page. As you can see, this person wants this amount of money for his service, which is ridiculous. Before I show you the next steps in making money online, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe and bell icon so you'll always be updated about new ways to make money online. Returning to the video, the first automated website I'd like to recommend is Powtoon.com. Basically, this is one of the best websites where you can create a lot of professional videos for free by just utilizing the done-for-you template, precisely like this one right here. Guess what? Several companies including Microsoft, Google, Cisco, IBM, and Dell have partnered with Powtoon.com and use its services. When you click on the top link templates, you'll be sent to an area where you may browse their video template library, and you'll find all of the ready-to-use templates here anyway. You can make a fantastic full video in minutes with only one click of a button. You can see some of their examples right here, and you can see all of their professional templates by scrolling down below. For the first tip, I want you to focus on the whiteboard videos. This category is in demand and it will allow you to pay more. Now, I want to show you one of the templates available for whiteboard videos. When you click this one, you will be redirected to this page right here. When I press the play button, you'll see a demo of the full template as you can see here. It's basically what we call a whiteboard explainer video, and you've undoubtedly seen some of these videos on YouTube and a lot of people enjoy them. And if you were to make this video entirely on your own, it would probably take you days, if not weeks, because you don't know how to make it. You may edit the template by just clicking on this button. On a whiteboard, recreate the full explainer video and sell it for hundreds of dollars. Just a little bit of information. Before you can edit this video, you will be creating your account first. Just enter your email here and you're good to go. After altering all of the necessary things, all you have to do now is click export on the upper right portion of the site. It will allow you to download the video on your phone or computer for completely free. And for the bonus website, please go to flixpress.com. Basically, you may make videos online in a matter of minutes using this website. They're also high quality and completely free. When you click on automated templates, you will be redirected to this page where you can choose a ready-to-use template. You may alter and edit it as much as you want. Then, you can download the complete HD video to your phone or computer. When you move your cursor over the video, you will notice that it's professional and of good quality. You may simply charge $50 for the entire logo intro video, and your consumers will have no idea that you're actually using this automated website. They believe you spend hours designing and honing your graphic design skills in order to produce all of these excellent videos. We may certainly look at all of the templates here, but I personally prefer a lot of advertising because there are so many demands on Legit.com and other marketplaces like Fiverr and Upwork. They're looking for people like you to make videos and advertisements for them. Simply take a look at these commercials right here. They're so professional. So, I will be going to give you a sneak peek at this video. For example, when I click on this one, it's just so funny and entertaining, and your Legit.com customers are going to absolutely love it. All you have to do now to freely use all of the templates available is just maneuver your mouse on the upper right corner of the website and click on register. By doing so, you will be redirected to this page where you can create your brand new account. Just enter your username, first name, last name, email address, password, and confirm it here. Don't leave this box unchecked to agree their terms and conditions. Have a click on this CAPTCHA right here and select enter. So that's basically the full concept of using Powtoon.com and flixpress.com to generate high-quality done-for-you videos. Then we'll be able to sell it on this marketplace called Legit.com in the video section. That's how you may generate so much money every day without having to put in any effort. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and enjoy my content, be sure to leave a thumbs up below to support my channel. And for you not to miss any of my future videos, then click on the subscribe button and make a ring on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever a new video pops up. This is Online Money Mastery. Happy earning! See you in the next video.